As a Minister for Health, I'm very keen on the health of our country, the health of individuals. And one thing that I'm very certain of, I have my family here and my 4 children, is often we get our children to train so that they can play sports. And one thing that we need to change is to get our children to actually train to be fit on a regular basis. And if that's one thing that we can take away from here, then that will be the best thing that we can do for this nation. As you know that we are a sport-loving nation, but I would like us to be a fitness-loving nation, so that when sports days are over, we continue to be fit. And I'm so glad to see many of us today, many very fit people. I see our Korean friends who are here, very fit looking, and also those of us like me who are not very fit, but that's beside the point. The most important thing is that we are moving together, and that we are in this this program and this adventure to live well together. We have only one life. That's an important thing to understand. Only one life. The life to come, only God knows what will happen, where you go, and what will happen to your life afterwards. So it's important that we protect our life now, and that we protect our families. And I see a lot of moms here today, and I ask you moms to be careful of that fridge, be careful of that kitchen. And if it's unhealthy, keep the children away and keep dad away from the fridge if it's unhealthy. That's the only way we can move forward as a nation. That's the only way we can protect our families. The other thing that I just want to finish with is that the only best person to look after the family is the original mom and the original dad. That's the important thing to understand. So if you and I leave this world quicker than intended, then our families are at risk. And so this morning I just want to challenge us that it's important for us to live longer and live healthy and have a better and also an improved quality of life for the benefit of our children, benefit of our grandchildren, and benefit of the nation. We have so much to give back to this nation. The only way we can give back is to live long and use that expertise to give back to this nation. So I thank you for coming, and I actually ask you today to go back and encourage somebody to come along to the next fun run. There's one in Nandi on the 23rd. I've made a commitment to be there in Nandi on the 23rd because I think it's so important to get this message out that it's important to be exercising, to stay fit. And remember, like what I said earlier, we're a sport-loving nation, and I think what we need to drive is that we need to train, not to play sports, but to keep fit for the rest of our lives. Thank you very much.